This used to be my 20-member marketing team, filled with slowness and inefficiency. If I assigned someone a task on Monday, it would at least take one day to even get the work started. Something changed one fine day. I completely replaced my marketing team with something weirdly intelligent. This is how Claude Code replaced a 20-member marketing team without coding. This video is the only thing you need to watch to help you either replace your marketing team or do the work of a 20-member marketing team with zero coding knowledge. Grab your laptop and let's get started. Claude has become insanely powerful, and these 4 steps inside Claude Code will help you build, plan, and execute everything a giant marketing team does today. To make things simpler, there's a 20-page playbook waiting at the end if you want the whole system, so stay till then. I'm gonna unwrap the exact 4-step process. But before that, let me show you the finished thing, because you should know what you're building towards. This is the office of an apparel brand called XYX Limited, and it's fully automated. I type one line, launch the campaign for the winter drop, and I press enter. Research starts, carousels get designed, ad copies get written, SEO analysis is done. And then the part that nobody shows you. The head of marketing agent opens every single output, checks it against brand guidelines, and rejects the ones that miss. Sends them back with notes automatically. 15 minutes later, a full campaign folder is ready, which is approved, on brand, and ready to send to a client. That's the final machine we're going to build. Now let's build it right from the beginning. To automate the marketing for a client, which is XYX Limited, an apparel brand, we need to do these 4 steps. Step 1, set up the office. Step 2, hire employees. Step 3, train them. And step 4, run the office with 10x efficiency. And the best thing is, each one of these steps is done by Claude Code. You never write code, and hence, before doing any steps, let's go to Claude Code in the chat window. You can try this in Terminal or VS Code as well. Tool is ready. Now, no company hires employees before it has an office, so let's set one up, which is our step 1. Think about a real office. There's a room with the company's brain. Brand book, product info, campaign briefs. There's the work floor where output gets produced, and there's the manager's desk where work gets approved or thrown back. We're building exactly that. 3 folders. Here's the full prompt. Pause and copy. Create a project folder on my desktop called XYX Marketing with a 3-folder office system. Here is the full prompt for you. You see it on my screen. And that's the output. Watch it. Now open the Claude.md it created. Look at this. It's actually written in the Office manual itself. The folder map, where agents read context from, where finished work gets submitted, even the file naming convention. I didn't write a word of that. And this file isn't one and done. We'll keep updating it as the Office grows. Now, the most important 30 seconds of this whole video. Drag your brand guidelines into /brandhq. Fonts, hex codes, logo files, tone of voice, product shots. And into /templates, drop 1 or 2 examples of work you already love, an old deck or a creative piece that performed. One last piece of office furniture, and it's free. Anthropic ships an official skill pack, pre-built skills for creating PowerPoints, PDFs, Word docs. Install it before hiring anyone, because later we're going to extend one of these into a branded skill of our own. Type /plugin at the official Anthropic skills marketplace and install the document skills. Type /, and there they are, sitting in the command list. Free employees came with the building. So the office is set, but an office with no people is just a folder. It is time to make the first hire, which is step 2. And Claude Code actually has a built-in HR department for this. And it's called the Agents menu, which means you can create your agents by doing a /agents on Claude. It'll open a new window in which you can simply prompt and it'll create a detailed agent. For example, my first hire for this apparel brand is going to be a social media designer who can establish presence on social media. And for that, simply go to /agents menu, type in this prompt. The name of the agent is social media designer. You can grab the full prompt by clicking on the link in the description. Agent name, social media designer. Once you do this, it'll make a detailed markdown file which has all the agent instructions and details based on the office we set before. This becomes your first hire, but it doesn't stop there. The agent is great, but it needs real tools to generate images, and we're going to equip it with one of the best image models, Nano Banana, by simply adding this skill. But this is a little different since this is not a direct skill, so we will need to create a JSON file. For that, put it in this prompt. Once this is done, add this skill to Claude by simply putting in the prompt, add this skill globally. You should see a GitHub link on screen now. Now a little deviation. Go to your terminal and paste this. You should see a small code on screen. Now let's give this employee actual work. To call any agent for a specific task, you mention it with an like @social media designer or @data analyst. And to design a brand-first social media post, we put up this prompt and call the agent. Look at the output it has created. Instagram-worthy slides in the brand colors with the right logo, ready to be sent to the client. And that's just 5% of what we're going to do. But before going to that, let's hire a boss for all the employees that we're going to build. Head of marketing, one of who will ensure that all the agents we create don't create chaos and work seamlessly like a marketing team does. The process is going to be the same. Open the agents menu, put in this prompt, and the full .md file for the agent will be created. I'll show you how it works in tandem with other employees, but before that, let's hire more agents. Now we have the creative person and the boss, but we need a person who can analyze the performance of campaigns and suggest the required changes, and for that, we're going to create the data analyst agent. The process will be the same, different prompt. Here are the steps to create agent 3. On screen now. Now this is the part where it gets interesting. Data analyst is the most generic title in the entire world. I'm going to make it more specific for this company XYX Limited. And here's the interesting part. We're going to give it a set of custom instructions that this agent needs to follow. This is called giving it a skill. Remember the start of the video? We told you there'd be furniture in the office, which is skills. Earlier, we installed the pre-built skills from Anthropic, like the PowerPoint skill, which a designer or data analyst can do. But for specific skills, we need to give it ample instructions and context. And I'm going to give this data analyst 2 skills: campaign report skills and create weekly dashboard skills. The goal is very simple. One skill will teach our data analyst how to analyze each campaign performance, and other will tell how to do the reporting. Both are critical for company ops. Now, once I paste in this prompt, I'll get an .md file skill that I can easily recall doing /campaign report inside Claude. Now for step 3, this is the prompt. Build a skill called campaign report for the data analyst agent. When triggered, produce a full post-campaign review. Now, I'll run a check to see how it works. I will call data analyst for that. Next is the weekly dashboard skill. Put in this prompt. Build a skill called weekly dashboard for the data analyst agent. When triggered, build a self-contained interactive HTML dashboard. Now, this is the third part of building our fully automated marketing team, which is training these employees. And we can create multiple skills for different agents we are creating. Different agents require different types of skills. For example, market research agent will need skills like market research, competitor teardown, ICP builder. By this point, we have 3 AI agents already trained and ready to work with the marketing team: a social media designer, a data analyst, and a head of marketing. Similarly, we can create more agents like influencer marketing manager, performance marketing specialist, email marketer, copywriter, or campaign strategist, and give them relevant skills. Another example for this would be the SEO analyst, which is going to compare the ranking of the company's website against a variety of keywords, compare competitor rankings, and give a detailed report on what needs to change and how we can improve the SEO ranking. You see which keywords slipped, which ones a competitor jumped past you on, and where you're still ahead. This agent is directly responsible for conversion because our website needs to rank on top for 100 to 200 target keywords. For that, I'm going to make another SEO analyst agent, give it necessary powers through skills, and show a live demo of how it works. First, let's give it an agent prompt. Agent name, SEO analyst. You are the SEO analyst for XYX Limited, and more importantly, the agent we point at a client's website to win and keep the account. You are directly responsible for conversion. Now let's give it a couple of skills so it can do the work properly. Skill 1 is Keyword Universe. It builds 1 to 200 relevant keywords that people are actually searching for, while also checking how many people search for them, how competitive they are, and their value. To build this skill, put in this prompt. The second skill is called Rank Compare. Once you've identified the keywords we want to target, this agent checks how the client and their competitors are performing for each one. For the biggest gaps, the agent also explains why competitors are ahead on certain keywords and gives you the fix. This is the prompt for Rank Compare. And now, test the skill live. Just tag this agent and give it a website. For now, I'm giving it the Plivo AI website to generate an SEO audit. And see, the results are just mind-blowing. It tells me the full ranking, sector, competitors, what keywords, what are on-page, off-page optimizations required immediately, and so many other fixes. This looks like a $1,500 SEO audit, and this is how to create agents, top them with skills, and make the most out of Claude. Here's what we've covered. Now you know how to set up the office, which was our step 1, with brand context, the guidelines. You know how to make and run agents, which is our step 2. And you've also seen how to translate the agent's work into meaningful revenue-generating work using skills. Now, the only step which is left is to see all of these 4 steps in action together. And for that, we can simply go to the chat, go and type @head of marketing, and tell it that we're dropping it a new brief. It'll understand and divide the work to different agents. Agents have skills, and they'll do the work. Creative agent will make the ad. Performance guy will run the ads. Data analyst will keep the tab on the performance. Copywriter will write ad and email copies. Email marketer will send out emails. Market researchers will give input for creatives. And that's how the full pipeline will work out. Let's drop in a fresh brief or a problem statement here. @head of marketing, new brief, XYX Limited is launching its winter drop, 6 new hoodies, on the 15th, ad budget $5,000, goal 500 sales in 2 weeks. This is the rest of the prompt, and 3 minutes later, let's open the approved folder together. The research doc, that's the researcher, the calendar, strategist, carousels, ad copy, a landing page, a 4-email flow, the dashboard. But here's the detail that actually matters. Open them side by side. The carousel's hook is the tagline from the strategist's brief. The landing page headline matches the ad copy. The emails link the landing page. Nobody stitched that together. The campaign brief sat in a brand HQ, and every agent read it before working. 10 chatbots give you 10 disconnected files. An office gives you 1 campaign which is seamlessly connected. You put in a brand brief. You get out a full marketing campaign. That's not a chatbot. That's called a marketing team. And the only human in it is the client-facing one. If you think you can do this too, it's your time to create an outbound agent to find leads and sell this service. If you click on the link in the description, you will get access to the 20-pager guide, which we used to make this video. Till then, subscribe to Plivo AI for everything AI. Keep experimenting on what you can do with AI, and I'll see you in the next one.